Okay, so that is called NAND to NAND implementation. NAND to NAND implementation. So NAND to NAND implementation means what? Using only NAND gate, you have to draw the circuit. Okay. For example, suppose you are having a system of three variables like this. It is x, y naught plus y z plus x z like this. So you have to draw it using only NAND gate. Okay, so if you are asked such type of question, what you have to do first? The first step is that first you draw the circuit using the basic gates only. That basic gates means using AND, OR and NOT gate. Simply draw the simple circuit using basic gates. So first step I am going to perform. Simply what you have to do, draw this circuit using the basic gates. So here three AND gates are there. So let me draw this three AND gates. First one, second one, and third one. Right. First one is having two input as x and y naught. So y naught, use one NOT gate here. Second one is having two input y and z. Third one is having two input as x and z. So here now these are connected with one OR gate. So simply you draw one OR gate here. So this is our final result f, that is equal to x y naught plus yz plus xz. That is what we have drawn. So this is the first step. Second step what you have to do, after drawing the gates circuit using the basic gates means AND, OR and NOT gate, what you have to do now in the second step, replace all the gates in this circuit with a NAND gate. Simple. First you draw the circuit using the basic gates. Now in the second step what you have to do, replace all the gates in this circuit with a NAND gate. Okay, so let me replace that one. Second step I am going to perform. So here we are having a, this is NOT gate. So NOT gate, first let me draw this one. This AND gate should be replaced by a NAND gate. So I am replacing. Then this AND gate has to be replaced by NAND gate. Then this third AND gate has to be replaced by a NAND gate. Okay, now in this we are passing this as input. Now we are having one NOT gate. So NOT gate will be replaced by a NAND gate. So NOT gate को कैसे replace करेंगे? Like this we will replace it into a NOT gate. Here we are having two input Y and Z, no problem. And here we are having two input X and Z, X and Z. Okay, so now these we have to pass to this OR gate. So what I told, all the gates should be converted into, all the gates should be replaced by a NAND gate. So here this gate also will be replaced by a NAND gate. Okay, so this we have got. Okay, so now let me explain it, whether we have got the correct output or not. Let me explain it. Okay, so here x and y naught we are passing to which, we are passing to a NAND gate. So what we will get here, we will get x and y naught because this is NAND gate. Then here we are passing x, y and z to a NAND gate. So here output will be y z naught. Here x and z we are passing to a NAND gate. So here we will get x z naught. Okay, at this step we will get this output. Now all these inputs, all these outputs we are passing as input to a NAND gate here. So what will be the final output here? We will be getting like this: x y not dot, because NAND gate, y, sorry, this is y z not, then x z not, and complete not, because of this is a NAND gate. So we will be getting like this. Okay. Now what you have to do, at this point you have to apply De Morgan's theorem. So apply De Morgan's theorem now. So what you will write here, De Morgan's theorem, if you are applying, then break the sign, break the line and change the sign. So here we will be doing x y not, then this, and then this. Okay, one is this one and another one, this line will be broken. So we have got this one, and then change the sign, so plus, then here we will be getting what, y z not, and then the broken line, this one. Then what we will be getting, x z bar, and then the broken line, this one, and change the sign. So ultimately what we are getting here, one of this line will be neutralizing the another one, so we will be getting x y naught plus y z plus x z. So what we have got, this is our expression that we have got from this also. So that means what it proves, that if you have to use NAND to NAND logic, then what you have to do, first, in the first step, what you can do, you can draw the gates, or you can draw the circuit using the basic gates, means using NOT, AND, or OR gate, whether it is applicable. And after that, in the second step, what you can do, you can replace, you have to replace all the gates involved there in this circuit with a NAND gate. Then the output produced by this circuit is same as that of that circuit. Okay, here we are getting the same output. So means what this circuit was doing, the same work is done by this circuit also. But here we have not used all the three gates, here we have used only NAND gate. Okay, now let us see NOR to NOR implementation. Second, we have to see NOR to NOR implementation. So as I told you that NAND gate and NOR gates are considered as a universal gate. Why they are considered? Because any circuit can be designed using only, either using only NOR gate, or you can use only NAND gate for designing that. Okay. So here let me do this one. Okay. NOR to NOR logic. So first let me write this one. You are having this circuit. Okay, let us have this let us have one function like this, f x y z. Let me write the dual of that one, first one. So dual of that one will be x plus y, this, then this one, then this will become y plus z, then this x plus z. So this is what, this is the dual of this one. Okay, so if you have to draw the circuit for this using NOR to NOR implementation, only you have to use NOR to NOR. So first what I told, in the first step what you have to do, you have to draw the circuit using the basic gate. Okay, and after that in the second step what you will do, you will replace the basic gate with NOR gate. Okay, so let me open new page, and there I will be doing this one. So here our function is f x y z equal to x plus y naught, y plus z, and x plus z. So first what we are doing here, we are doing NOR to NOR implementation, means we will be using only NOR gate for that. So first step, in the first step what we will be doing, we will be drawing the circuit using the basic gates. So let us draw that. So three OR gates are there, 1 2 and 3 OR gates. So let me draw three OR gates here. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. First one is having two input, x and y naught. So y naught, so y should be passed to a naught, then it will become xy, y naught. Second is having two input y and z. Third is having two input again, x and z. So here we will be getting output x plus y naught, here y plus z, and x plus z. Now these three output will be passed as an input to a an AND gate, because they are dot. So all these three will be passed at input to a an AND gate. So we are passing this. So this is our final F, okay, which is equal to x plus y naught, then y plus z, then dot this x plus z. Now in second step, what we have to do? We have to replace all the gates with NOR gate, because here we are going to apply NOR to NOR logic. So second step, replace all the basic gates with a NOR gate. So here we will be, first let me draw three NOR gate here. These three main NOR gate. This is one, apply one ring, then it becomes NOR gate. Then this become NOR gate. Then another one, this one. So this also become a NOR gate. Okay. Now here we have to pass one input as x and another input as y naught. So y naught, not you have to make it as a NOR gate. So how to do? Like this only you can make it as a NOR gate. Okay. Now here simply we have to pass y and z, no problem. Here we have to pass x and z. So we have got at this point what we have to do now. Here we have to replace all of them. We have to pass all these output to another NOR gate like this, because all the gate has to be replaced by a NOR gate. Okay, so now let us calculate, let us verify whether we have got the same output or not. So same way we will be verifying here. So what is the output at this point? Here we will be getting x plus y naught whole bar because of this NOR gate. Then here we will be getting y plus z, and because of this ring we will be getting this one. Here we will be getting x plus y, and because of this ring we will be getting this one. Now all of them we are passing to another NOR gate. So what we will be getting finally, here we will be getting x plus y naught naught, then then this will be added to y plus z naught, plus this will be added to this one, x plus y naught, and because of this ring a whole bar will be there. Okay, now at this point again we have to apply De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so it tells us break the line and change the sign. So break the line and change the sign. So change the sign means plus will be replaced by dot. So this will be y plus z, and then break the line. Then this will be x plus y bar, and then broken line over will be there, and change the sign. So what will happen? One line will neutralize the another line. So this will become x plus, here what we have written, y, sorry, here it is y. So x plus y bar, then This will become one line will neutralize another line, so this will become y plus z, and same way we will write x plus here it is what, x plus z, sorry, this is z, this is z, so this will become x plus z. So what we have got, we have got this one, we have got this one. So we have verified that what this circuit is doing, the same work will be done